I've been working with Zavi for a year now on my podcast, and when I say he's a lifesaver, I could not be more serious. He helped me get my show off the ground from zero to launch in 30 days, with my first 5 episodes going live. And the things that he's been helping me with include editing the audio components, helping me out with the show notes, getting blog posts ready and scheduled for my site, and even creating the graphics that I need to go along with my podcast episodes. Now that we're 50 episodes into my show, podcasting has actually completely changed my business. I've been able to meet awesome people like Noah Kagan, James Altucher, and Lewis House. And some of these relationships I built because of the show have actually helped me land consulting deals, 5-figure consulting deals. Really, really game changers for me. And so some of these deals have come from actual guests I've interviewed on the show, and some of them have come by way of referrals from those guests. But what's important here is that the podcast has helped me build relationships, and having Zavi's help with everything from a logistics standpoint lets me focus on going out and building those relationships, doing what I do best. And I put my money where my mouth is when it comes to recommending Zavi. I've actually sent 3 friends his way who have all started podcasts with him, and each of them could not have been happier with their experience. So all of this is to say, if you're thinking of starting a podcast, regardless of your goals, Zavi is your man to help.